Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a Jeep and it's a 1964 Jeep Wagoneer. Uh, if you are in North America or some parts of UAE, you might have seen the new Wagoneer which came out a few years ago. But this, I don't think a lot of people have seen this one. But if you've been in North America, you must have seen this, like if you're old enough. So this is a new casting by Matchbox. As you can see, it says new for 2024. So let's open it up and see how does it look. And before I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's a small channel and I'm trying to bring more content to it. So subscribe, like, comment. Okay, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is, the Jeep Wagoneer out of its box. From the driver's side, you can see it's finished in white. It's got this nice classic wheels which we have seen on some recent Matchbox, and these two look nice. These look like hubcaps, so they really suit the older vehicles more than the 5-spoke ones. The windows are done in light blue, even the windshield. I don't know if they actually had tinted like that, I'm not sure. So it's a big SUV, so you can see 4 doors obviously and big overhang. Now let's go to the front. So up front, nice details. You got the detailed headlamp, turn indicator, grille, and the bumper is done in chrome. You can also see the windshield wiper and the sculpted hood. Very classic looking. Coming to the passenger side, it misses out on the rear view mirror, as it did on a lot of older cars which only had rear view mirrors on the driver's side. The interior seems to be finished in green. I'm not sure if it actually came like that on the original car or it's just Hot Wheels doing that. Now let's come to the back. Again, detailed tail lamp, good thing. You got Jeep written on the number plate down there. You got the the keyhole and the lock for the rear hatch. It looks like it's split one, because I can see the design. I'm not sure, it looks like that. Also interesting, you got a tow hook here, which you don't really get on a lot of vehicles. That's something interesting. So I think there are trailers by Matchbox, you can attach that. It'll make a good set. Again, the rear bumper is also done in chrome. Fuel filler cap on the driver's side. Interior seems to be normal, nothing special there. I can see some kind of luggage in the back, but I'm not sure what it is. So overall, well, I would say it's a nice casting. It's nicely detailed for a mainline. As you can see, you've got good details up here. But yeah, one thing, the roof is very different from any current car. Normally you have design that goes through the length of the car, but it's on the width of the car. So that's something different. Yeah, you should get this one. This is a good casting, I'd say. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.